Look. Doing all right, brother? Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Lord have mercy. I gotta get my waivers and everything signed.
Oh, hey, how you doing?
Look at this thing.
I like that, man. Ain't that something fancy?
You know, when he first started that, I think, what was he thinking? But he's pretty handy with that backhoe.
Hey, how you doing, brother?
Buddy.
Morning, sir.
Let me know if it gets too hot or too cold over there. What do you say? You see what's in the box?
Hey, Jeff.
Oh, no.
All right, guys. This is Robert Milton, Hobby Hardwoods in Alabama.
And this is Celebrity Nathan. I
That's a given. That's a
do
given.
know him. So
That's a
just, and if you want an autograph from him, $20 to me, and I'll make sure he gets an autograph.
And if you have any questions about my videos, contact Robert. And this is my good friend Jeff
There we
right
go.
here. And
There's
I've not
Jeff.
got to see Jeff in 2 years.
Yep, well, about a year and a half.
Has it been a year and a half since it was last?
Oh, we haven't seen each other in 2 years.
2
Oh, it's been
years.
3 years.
Yeah, it's been 2 years since we did this.
3
so it's
years.
almost 3
Because I got a
years.
Facebook memory 2 days
Oh,
ago, and it was a
okay.
picture of Atlanta skyline, and it said Atlanta sucks. It was Dan and I was caught in traffic.
Well, traffic does suck in Atlanta. I went around Atlanta this time. I came down through the Carolinas. I think Robert went through Atlanta, though.
We went on the side of it. It was pretty good.
side.
But we were watching Waze the whole way. You know, we went through Birmingham and then went sideways to Atlanta, and we just caught that outer bypass.
Oh,
Then it
okay.
was only like a 6-minute delay, and we went, yeah, let's go, you know.
You know, I made that post about me filming, you filming, somebody else filming somebody.
Eating a hamburger or
Yeah,
something.
so, well, what I decided was, what I'll just tell everybody is, if they want to, because there's probably going to end up being several videos, if they want to be educated, they'll watch your videos.
no.
And if they want to just go, oh, they'll watch mine.
I was going to wait until I saw his to see if I was even going to put mine up.
Fiber that is really weak, you know, the wood fiber itself that stiffens the cotton, and if the tree is under stress when it's growing, it doesn't put as much of that stiffener in there, because the tree somehow, and it's amazing, it figures that, hey, I gotta be swinging back and forth, or I gotta bend over this way, And if it had the stiffener, it would break. So then it says, oh, well, don't put as much stiffener in there so that the wood can
I'm headed off. I know you don't. You ain't gonna go that far. I get it.
Oh, Jim.
I think you ought to get over there and throw a pail of water on that slab that's going. He's gonna get out and kick Jake's ass right now. Look at that. He's gonna do it. Cross that line. All right, you rehearsed enough. Go ahead and do it.
Hey, not good at the line.
Out.
Good to see you, my friend.
There's the hug I've been waiting for. That's good to be seen, I guess.
When did you get here?
Yesterday, last night.
Last night, about
Quit rocking my wood over there, Danny. But I mean, it's just one of them logs that it don't look no different.
Scaly.
you picking one out, Danny?
Well, we're thinking it over.
Now that's a log there. Is that water oak?
No, that looks like southern red oak to me.
Southern red oak?
Or black oak, but it could be southern red. That's probably what it is. Make sure they must have come out of
58 inches.
Yeah. Must have come out of the road.
How old was it?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought just count the red. 83. 83.
They grew that big in 83.
You must be our fearless leader. I recognize a hat.
Well, maybe.
I'm Troy C. I just got on the forum a couple years ago, but
Well,
appreciate
glad you're
your
there.
work. Appreciate your hard work.
told him not to get that. That was a challenge.
Well, there was a guy.
Because I told him, I said, Danny's not going to think you can do that. So then you tell him not to do it, so that's why he's doing it.
I think Daddy said he couldn't do it.
That's what there's that.
I did tell him, I said,
I believe that's what it was.
I'm gonna slap it. That's okay.
That's right.
I'm gonna slap it.
That's right.
Go for it.
Firewood then?
Glass. And
So you
$150,000 more machines on top of the 20 grand that you spent on this or whatever this
This
cost.
used was 5,500, but you know, then you got to have another $250,000 to go with it.
That's what I mean. That's what I mean. Yeah.
Well, you ain't got to, but it helps.
What I'm doing.
No man's done it.
How hard is this thing to be portable? I mean, I know it's not easy.
You can't see that. Hold on.
Oh, so it has. Yeah,
See it from back here.
Got a line of frozen stuff in Maple, you don't have that size differential. They're all the same size. Well, my course, but the open and run it.
The only thing that goes on top of the wall.
I like that.
And wouldn't that make a nice little coffee table top?
Because they're 10 feet or 8 feet.
Well, that's all there. We got to come back through here.
I bet you that you put 4 legs on that and put it in the living room, it's a lot bigger than you think.
Probably a lot heavier than
Well, I'm just judging by looking across through the viewfinder at that and looking at you guys behind it, and I know how big you guys are, and you don't look that big back there. So
We're not, yeah. Was that 3.5 feet across there?
I'm going to say 37 inches.
38 feet.
Oh, inside the bark, 37.
38. Oh, it wasn't off too far.
Oh boy.
Hey, it's crazy. You look at all the logs, this whole log roll, this may be the most valuable log out.
Grill. Well, we ain't gonna have nothing to eat later.
That sounds pretty good.
What are we having?
Are they on? Not yet. Go ahead and flip it on. Let's see what we got.
How many Sawyers does it take to put in a light bulb?
One yellow hammer.
Yeah, one. Oh no, I'm being filmed. Crap. Is that how it goes in, or does it go through the... Uh-oh.
That's a great video. I almost got butt cracked too.
Oh God. And I'm not even a plumber. Now I got to pull my butt up.
So you may have to turn to a different career.
Thank you, sir.
Said, and if I would bring it, that he would love to have it.
No, wait a minute. I do not need that. We have enough junk at our house already.
That took a turn, didn't it? I think I heard a veto somewhere. That's not junk.
What kind of batteries does it take?
He told me to get rid of it.
Yeah, exactly, I understand.
Come on, Miss Pat. You don't want it, I know, but I wanted it.
We're trying to get rid of stuff, honey.
With the same, with the original battery pack.
Good. We can charge those up.
So anyway, and it's got the Instructions. Original
Owner's manual.
owner's manual.
Wow.
With it.
That's pretty cool.
And I'm going to present this to Doc Henderson.
All right.
Great.
Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. All right. Well, I guess I can't accept it. I appreciate it very much.
Well, you hurt my feelings.
I guess we'll have to give this.
I run the house.
Let's all hear it for Jake. Jake also is interested in this. I think this ought to go to Jake and be in his office. Are you okay with that?
Y'all make me get up. No.
Just be careful when you swallow, okay? There you are, sir.
I'd be more
I appreciate
careful where
it,
you
both of
point
you
that
gentlemen.
thing.
She loved music.
She would have done took that guitar.
She would have took that guitar, but I love to talk to her because she'd been around and played music and loved music. So we're going to do this one for your mom.
Thank you.
Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? There's a bitter cold waiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. Close behind her, try to hold up and be brave, but I could not hide my sorrow when they laid her in the grave. Yeah, the circle being broken by and by, Lord, by and by. There's a bitter home waiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. I went home, my home was lonely. My dear mother, she was gone. Then my brothers, sisters cried in this world so sad and long. Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? There's a bitter cold waiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. Everybody sing. Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? There's a bitter cold waiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. There's a bitter home waiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. Yeah. I miss your mom. Yeah, I miss her.
I have a tendency to miss her a little bit my damn self.